Welcome to the Crazy Hat Chemist. So today we're doing the 16th video on nuclear chemistry, and we're finally going to do some half-life calculations. So let's get started. Bam! So half-life calculation number 1. So let's check this out. In how many half-lives will 10.0 grams of a radioactive nucleotide decay to less than 10% of its original value? So this is what I have. I have a little table set up for us here. Okay, and what we're going to start off with is 100%. We want to wait until it gets to less than 10%. So what we need is our knife. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our knife here to cut this sample in half. Really simply. It's going to go like this. Wham! Just like that. Now, after one half-life, I have 50% remaining. So that is not less than 10%. So I need to keep on going. So I'm going to take my knife here again and go wham! Now I got 25%. That's still not less than 10%. And I need to get to less than 10%. So I need to keep on going. So I'm going to take my knife, one more time and go wham! Okay, now I got 12.5%. That's still not less than 10%. So it requires one more slicing of this in half. Bam! And then that is right there. That is 6.25%. That is most certainly less than 10%. So let's find out what this means in terms of a mass. I just did it in terms of a percentage, so let's find out what it means in terms of a mass. Okay? So I'm starting off with 10 grams. And after a half-life, I'm going to have 50% of that remaining. So I'm going to take that 10 grams and slice it in half, and then I get my 5 grams. Okay? Now, that is still not at the 4 half-life situation here. So I'm going to have to cut this in half yet again and using my knife and go slam, and then I got 2.5 grams. Okay? That's at 2 half-lives is how much remains. Okay? And I'm going to have to cut that yet again and 1.25 grams. Okay, now I'm still going to have to cut that yet again, and I'm going to have, 0.625 grams. Okay, so this amount is not the exact amount at 10%. The question very carefully reads to less than 10%. So I want you to make sure that you understand that. Okay, this is kind of the brutal method. That is, you take your calculator and your division button and you just divide it in half with the knife. It's hopefully that simple for you. Okay, does that make sense? Good. All right, so we're going to do some more calculations. Some of them we're going to actually just divide it in half, divide it in half, divide it in half, of course, with the knife. And it works out really nice and simple with the knife, dividing it in half. There will be some other calculations that we do it another way. So, here we go. How do you like that hat? Now, that is a beautiful, flashy hat. I got this from my mom, so thank you very much. Mom, give me a thumbs up if you like that video. Subscribe to my channel, King Tut. Have you seen that one?